Hi, we are here at JC Premier Singapore. We'd like to introduce to you our powerful product called Omni White Soap from Japan. And we're going to demonstrate to you and show you how powerful our Omni White Soap is. So we're having our brand X, yan, brand Y, and Omni White. So ipapakita namin sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang aming Omni White Soap. Ito ay gawang Japan. It's a glutathione soap. Soap also can be for anti-aging. Yan, tatry natin itong brand X. Yan, siya umiilaw. And meron tayong brand Y na napakasikat dito sa Singapore. Hindi rin siya umiilaw. So, ito naman ay tatry natin ang ating Omni White Soap. Yan, umiilaw ang bumbilya dahil sa Omni White Soap. Dahil sa kanyang active minerals or positive ion na nanggagaling sa sabon, kaya natin napapailaw ang bumbilya. So it means itong product na ito ay napakaganda sa balat because meron tong active minerals at of course pampaputi ng balat, pampabata, pampapantay ng mga hindi pantay na sa mukha, tawag dito, blemishes sa mukha. So yan lang ang nagpapatunay na kung gaano kaganda ang Omni White Soap. It was made from Japan and it's the product from JC Premier.